Now the topic is how to balance chemical equation. Very important topic of chemistry. And for this topic, we should know the symbols first and the formula of the compound. अगर हमें formulas नहीं पता होंगे तो we cannot write or we cannot balance the equation. Now barium chloride. The formula of barium chloride is BaCl2. Reacts with aluminium sulfate. Al2SO4 whole thrice to give aluminium chloride. The formula of aluminium chloride is AlCl3 and a precipitate of barium sulfate BaSO4. Now we have to balance this. There is also one technique, that is, this is the part metal. Second compound part, this is also metal. This metal will react the negative part. So BaSO4. Now this is the metal. This will react with Cl2 to AlCl3. Now the simple method is you write here, for example, barium 1. Here Cl2, Cl is 2, Al atoms are 2, sulfur is 3 because bracket SO4. And oxygen is 4 3 are 12. Now in the right hand side, Al1, Cl3, Ba1, S1, O4. Now Al2. First we have to balance the metallic portion. So Al is 2, here Al is 1. If I put here 2, aluminium will become 2. Hence aluminium is balanced. Now by putting 2, Cl has become 2 3 are 6. 2 3 are 6. Now on this side we have also put the this Cl also should be balanced. Cl2 only hit and trial method 3. 3 2 are 6. Now aluminium is balanced, Cl is balance. Now we will check. S is 3, sulfur is 3. So we will write here 3. Now sulfur becomes here 3. Sulfur will become here 3. So it is also balanced. Barium becomes 3, but here barium is 1, so it becomes 3. Now we will check. Oxygen is here 4 3 are 12. Here it becomes 12. So barium 3, sulfur, oxygen 12, oxygen 12. Now to check, where confirmatory test 3 6 9 11 or 3 14 or 12 26. In this side 2 6 8 with 11 3 14 and 12 26. Hence we have balanced this equation. Now second equation is potassium bromide plus barium iodide gives potassium iodide and barium bromide. The symbol of potassium bromide is KBr plus barium iodide BaI2. Potassium iodide symbol is Ki and barium bromide is Br2. Now we have to balance it. So बच्चों की तरह K1 here and Br1 left hand side. This is the reactant portion. Barium 1, iodine 2. Same here, potassium 1 and iodine 1, barium 1 and Br. Now we are seeing that here Br is 2. First you balance the metal portion. Metal portion potassium 1, barium 1 and barium 1. Now come on the non-metal portion. Non-metal, here is I 2 and here I 1. So we will put the coefficient 2. By putting this I becomes 2. So mark tick, I has become 2. Now by putting this, potassium becomes 2, but here potassium is 1, so put 2. Now potassium is also balanced. Now barium becomes 2, barium becomes bromine becomes 2, and here bromine is also 2, so it is also balanced. And barium 1, barium 1. Now do the total. 2, 4, 5, 7. Here in products 2, 2, 4, 5 and 2, 7. Hence conformity test that our answer is right. Now dear students, if you forget the formula you can regenerate it, but आपको 9th क्लास में जाना पड़ेगा जो वैलेंसी की टेबल थी एनसीईआरटी में, उसको याद करने के लिए. फॉर एग्जांपल पोटेशियम ब्रोमाइड, यू हैव फॉरगेटन द फार्मूला. वी नो दैट सिंबल ऑफ पोटेशियम इज के, सिंबल ऑफ ब्रोमीन आपने 9th में पढ़ा -1 के प्लस. पुट 1 क्रॉस 9th क्लास का कंसेप्ट है के BR, K1 BR1, but we will not write 1 as the formula becomes KBR. In the same way, barium in 9th class, barium 2 plus and iodine halogen -1. Now put here 2 1, you will get Ba1 and 1 is not written, Bai2. Hence if you have forgotten the formula you can regenerate it. For example, Br2 same, 2 plus Br minus, so 2 and 1, so it will become Br2. You can generate any formula by the help of 9th class. For example, lead iodide, lead, the symbol of lead is Pb, the symbol of iodine is -1, right here 2 and 1, cross multiply, but you have to learn the table of 9th class once again to regenerate the formula. Calcium chloride, ये आगे आएंगे आपके एनसीईआरटी की बुक में सारी इक्वेशंस. अगर सिंबल बनाना बता रहा हूँ आपको, Ca2 plus Cl minus, suppose 2 and 1, cross you will get again C1 Cl2, but we will not write, hence the formula will become CaCl2. So this is the trick.